today we are going to be looking at how to design a school website. So I'm going to be showing you the type of schools I'm going to be designing. I've designed this for someone. So this is the school website. You can check it on your Google, it is there. So forcon.sch.ng, that's the domain name. So this is our WordPress dashboard. We are in our WordPress dashboard. So just basically just log into your WordPress dashboard. So this is how your WordPress dashboard is going to look like. So now let's start. Let me show you how I designed this. So I'm going to show you how I added all these features to it, how I did all this. So I'm going to show you how all this thing is, how everything is. Even this was here. I'm going to show you how I added it here. Very, very simple. There's no stress at all. So how I did all these things, you can see it is looking good. It's okay. And all of them is following a specific design. You get me now? You can see here. So and lot like that. You can also see it right here. So this is the contact us from further information. This thing. So you can see it. Everything just wow. So now I'm going to teach you how to design this. I'm going to teach you how to design this. So you come to your this is the front end of my dashboard now. So this is the front end of my website. So this is how it looks like, and that's how I expect your own to look like. It's just nothing. There's nothing on it. You've not yet added something to it yet. So I'm going to add. I'm going to turn this into this website. Good. So you guys can also design. There's nothing about that. So now I've explained this overview of this dashboard for you. So what I just first like you to do is to come to setting here and come to permalink here. Come to permalink. So once you come to permalink, you're waiting for the website to load. So once you come to permalink here, I want you to set the permalink to post name. It's very, very important. Set it to post name or less Google won't be able to how will I say it? Google won't be able to read through your website. Yeah. So it won't be very easy for them to read through your website. So it's very, very important to put it as post link. So I don't really know what's wrong with it. So now as you can see here, this is what is plain. So you put it to what? You put it to post name. You get me now. And you just click on what? You come down here and click on save. So you save changes. So you have to click on save changes for this thing to be able to select to post name. So click on save changes, it's going to save. So now the next thing you're going to now do is to do what? Is to go to Teams appearance here. So once your mouse is already on appearance, you click on Teams. I hope you are following me. You're going to click on Teams. So once you click on Teams, it's going to direct you to the team part of your WordPress dashboard. So now this is where all your teams are stored. You can see it. So now what you're going to do for me is either I click on this plus or you click on add new here. So I'll just click on add new here. We are using the team 2020 as you can see it here, team 2020. So we want to change this thing from this to what you're going to install now. So let's wait for it to load. I'm going to install it to the team of 2020. So sorry, we are going to move it from this team of 2020. I'm going to put our own team there. So the team that I say that's what we are going to use for this training now is we call it Astra team. So as you can see it here, it's going to be on your this thing. Or you can just type it here. If you don't find it here, just type it Astra. So it will this search and the search stuff will bring it out for you. So you just click on install so as to install the plugin. So I'm waiting for it to install. Good, as you can see now, our team has been installed. So we just click on what? Activate. So once we click on activate, our page is going to load. So that's going to what? It's going to activate the team, not plugin. Team, please. So it's going to activate the team for us now. So the reason why we're basically using Astra team thing because it's a very fast thing. As I've been my experience with it is like it's a very fast thing. So and it is basically almost what everybody use these days. So to design their website. Yeah, you basically check all the backend of those who are using WordPress. So they basically use abstracting. It's fast and it goes with any type of website you want to use. So as you can see under this thing here, we can use it to design anything. You can see local businesses, e-commerce, just blogging, professional services. So you can use to design any type of website you want. So that's why people usually go with that. So but I too do use that also too. So now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to come to plugin here and you click on add new. So I'm going to go and add new plugins. So we are going to add new plugins. For us to be able to design this type of website, we need various plugins. We need various plugins. So we also need to design this type of website like this. We need various plugins. So I'm just going to install them now. So now, so the first thing I'm going to first search for is we are going to first search for Elementor. Just type Elementor. You can see it right here. I've typed it here. So once you type it, it is just going to search it for you. Don't worry, it's going to search it for you. As you can see Elementor. You click on install. So you come back here again. It's going to be installing like that. Just leave it like that. You come back here, you backspace, and you type Envanto. Yeah. So once you type Envanto, so you type Envanto elements. Sorry, this is in capital letter. I can type it in small letter. There's nothing about that. But just because my cap lock on, I forgot to put it. So just Envanto element. So it's basically looking for the Envanto element. So this is it here. So you install this one too. So be waiting for both of them to install. So just like the way we install the this thing, just like the way we install the what do you call it, the abstract thing. So good. Now you click on what? You click on this Envanto here. Just click on activate. So we haven't activated our Elementor plugin due to the reason that we are not yet using it for now. We just installed it only. So just activate, just follow my step. Don't go back to anything or do anything. Just follow my step. So now good. As you can see, it has brought us to once we activated that plugin, it has brought us to where all our plugins of the website is located. So as you can see here, you must have all these things on your website. This one, this anti-spam, this classic editor is very important, you must have it, and this hello dot you must have it. Those three things must be there. So now these are the new things that we installed by ourselves. This Evanter, you see, as you can see, I've activated it. This Elementor, we only installed it, we didn't activate it, so I don't want to activate it now. So now what we're going to now do is that you come, you see now once when we installed Evanto element, this thing, this dashboard, just check your dashboard, you see something called element now. So element was not there before. So now you see what we call element. So you just click on settings, just go to settings, put your mouse on element. It will bring out a pop-up and just go to what? Go to settings. So once you go to settings, let that one load. So it's going to direct you to the settings of the Evanto element. So now, so now you will just scroll down. You scroll down. So you just come to what? You come to here, template kit. That's what you're going to come to. Just scroll down and click on upload template kit. Good, good, good. So now, so where you, I'll give you the file of the template kit. Don't worry, I'll give you the file of the template kit. You don't need to worry about that one. Just follow what I'm going to do. So you just, if it's that your own is already here already, you just click on it because my own is not here. So there's a place I stored it. So I'm going to go and get it from here. So let me check for you. Let me just quickly check for you. So let me just quickly check for it. Sorry for the delay. So So let me click on upload kits to zip file. So I want to go and check the stuff according to what I said before. Sorry, I was just going a little bit. I want to go and attend to some issues. So now I clicked on upload template kit. You get me now. So I'm just trying to locate where the kit is. Good. I think I found it. No, it is okay. I saw it right now. Yeah, good. So this is the kit here. I'm going to send it to you guys. Edu Kit Kindergarten Child Care Elementor. Good. So you just click on open. Once you click on open, it will be processing. Don't worry, just wait, just be patient and wait. So once the thing is clicking on is processing, so you just wait. Let me pause the video so that the thing will upload. So now, as you can see, the kit has already what? The kit has already uploaded. So you see this red button here saying attention. There are 6 requirements that need installing for this template to work correctly. So so as you can see, this is the template that we use to design this website, this fine, good looking website. So this is the template we used. This is the template that we use to do what? To design it. So as you can see, this is the template we use. This is the template we use. So it is still going to be loading, don't worry about that one. So the first thing I'm first going to do, as you can see, as the put it up was here, we can't do anything or the templates won't be working correctly as we thought it would if we don't what? If we don't install these 6 requirements. So it does not really mean that if you don't require the requirements, it's not going to work. It's going to work, but just do it. Now, we need Elementor Pro. So we are going to get Elementor Pro. Don't worry about that one. Just unclick that one. This will come as to unclick it because the reason why I'm not doing that is that we're not selling anything on the website. It's just a school website just to show people about the information about the school. So we're not selling anything. So after that, click on remove Elementor Pro and remove WooCommerce. After that, just click on what? Install the above requirement. You get me now. So the ones that you unclicked, as you can see, it has been skipped. So the ones that are still that you clicked, you see they are the ones that are installing. So if that is installing this one, normally we already have Elementor on our dashboard. It's just going to help us to activate it. So that's going to help us to install this one too. So it's going to help us to install this one and install this one. So I'm going to get Elementor Pro now. So I'm going to go and get the Elementor Pro. I have it with me. So I'm going to give you guys. It's part of the plugin that I'm going to give you. So normally I purchased it. So I really purchased it. So and if you check it online, normally it's a very big amount in dollars actually. So now to close it. So once you close it, the next thing you're going to do is to now you see what do you call it? Good. You see this plugin here, just right click on it. It will bring out all this here. You click on what? Open new tab. So the reason why I'm doing that is that I want to install Elementor Pro and I don't want to leave this page. So I want to go and do it on another page. You get me now? So I want what I've shown you. Just right click, it will bring out this option and click what? Open link in new tab. That's all. So it will just open another tab here for you. So I'm waiting for that tab to go so we can install our Elementor Pro. So once we install our Elementor Pro, I'm going to refresh that page again. So once we refresh that page, so we won't be having to install anything that requires Elementor Pro again. So we'll have already installed it on our system already, on our dashboard. Sorry. So now good. This is it. As you can see, this is it. So all those ones that I install, you see, if I was able to install it, Element Kit Lite, Elementor, it is there. So those are the things that it has already supposed to install. As you can see, it is there. So now, what I'm just going to do is that you will come to this admin here. You get to now. So I want to teach you how to install plugins manually. So you come to that admin. So you just come here to what? You come here to upload. You can see this upload here. You just click on upload. Yes. Now you now click on what? Choose file. This is how to install plugins manually instead of coming here to come and search it. It's not here. So basically, this is how to install premium plugins. You get me now. So this is my Elementor Pro here. So I'll just double click on it. So I'll just click on this. This is my Elementor Pro 3.62.6.2. So just click on open. So you click on what install now. So we're waiting for it to install. Just do that same thing that I did. Just choose file, search for where you put your file is, but it will be on download. Since I'm sending the file to you guys, it's going to be on the download part. So just access the file and just click on it. It's a zip file though. Note the format must be in zip, not in folder, please. Must be in zip, or there's no place to go. You get it now. If it is in folder. Now if the file is in folder, let me quickly show you. Since this one is installing, let me quickly show you how to turn the folder file into a zip file. Like now you can see this one here now is a folder. As you can see, it's a folder. You just right click on it, right click on it. You see this, I have this type of options here. So you can just come to send to here. See the send to, I'm sure you have it in your system. And you see this thing here, compress to zip folder. So once you click on compress to zip folder, it's going to compress that stuff, as you can see, compressing. It's going to help to compress everything that is inside this thing that I selected. It's going to help to compress it. So as you can see now, the zip folder is what? The zip folder is already there. You can see it. You can see now. So this is what we did just right now. So as you can see, the idea also was convert to zip. So anybody that have it in folder, convert it is in must be zip. Any folder that I give you, just ensure that if it is not in zip, convert it to zip. You get me now. But just follow what I'm going to do for you. So now let me cancel. Let me just shorten this. So now as you can see, it has already installed. So you just click on activate plugin. So it's that same rule that I followed. So I did not do anything when I was explaining to you. I did not do anything. So it was just uploading. That was network issue. So now we are installing our plugin already, the Elementor Pro. So now as you can see now, it has been done it has been done, it has been installed. As you can see it here, Elementor Pro. You can see it. I hope you all guys can see it now. It's there. So now you just come back to this page. This you just next where your this thing is. So you just click on, you just reload it. You come here, you reload. You get me now. So once you click on reload, the page is going to reload. So now, good. As you can see now, the only requirement that we need is what? If I should click on this requirement aspect now, the only requirement that we need is what? Is WooCommerce. And I told you guys we don't need WooCommerce. We're not saying anything. So we just click on cancel. So now we are ready to do what? We are ready to install our what? We are ready to install our. We are ready to import. Sorry, we are ready to import our template kit. Now we just scroll down. The first you are going to first is import. You are going to import this. So click on this. If you click on, you are going to import the footer too. You need header and footer. Now you are going to import the home page too. Sorry about that. You are going to import the home page too. So let me scroll back up. So let me click on import. This one to import. So this one is basically for maybe you want to have news on the in the school. You click on import down too. So you are going to click on import this too. You want to import that. And almost let me say almost everything, but I'm going to show you the way I know going to import my code. So you import single post, you import search results, the import single page. So let me import. Let me import. So let me scroll down. Those ones are importing. So don't touch shop, don't touch single product because I'm not selling anything. Installed 404 error and 404 page. Anybody that's searching for something that's not maybe search on your website, that's what the person is going to get. 404. So now insert this, insert this. So and here also good. So basically, you cannot do anything you want. Basically, so anything you want, anything that you want to be on the school website, you can build it there. You want to tell people about the teachers that are there. Okay, yeah, you install this too. This contact us is very very important. So you install that. So now we are waiting for them to install. As you can see, those ones are changing to view template, view template. So I want to import this, but I don't really know why my network, yeah, it has gone already. My network is going now. So now import this. I'll import this. I don't need to take about my team. Then I'll import this. I'll import this. Then I'll import this last one too. It's very, very important. I'll import that. So okay. Should we import this? Okay, let's import this. Basically, you can still come back and import them if you forgot actually. So you can still come and import it. No problem about that. So as you can see, all the ones that we've imported before, they are already on our website now. So now basically, if you should reload the website, there was this is how the website looked before. So you've not reloaded it since the time we installed the team and the plugin. So let me reload it. So it is reloading. So all these ones now they've done what they've been imported already. So please ensure that you import them. So it will to confirm that they've been imported. You see this thing view template or import again. So that means that it has been the work has been done. Yes now. So this page is still loading. So as you can see, this is the abstract thing. These are the way you see that the front end has already changed. So you can go and load your own front end too. So you can see that the front end has already changed already. So now the first thing I'm going to first do here now is that let me go back to my imported kits. So now on our dashboard, just come here to appearance and click on customize. That was I'm going to do. Click on customize. So the customize page is loading. So now basically you're not going to be touching anything here. So this side this is where you're concerned here. So this is the abstract thing. So we're not going to use the team to design. I'm going to use the template to design. So that's why I'm not going to explain it. So you want to edit this where you used to see all these copyrights and so this way to edit it. You will click on this pen, so it's going to edit. It's going to show you where the stuff is. But we are not going to that today. So let me just pack it. So now our main concern here is two things. Now you can observe very well. You can see that this place here is W. Now we want to change this thing here to let's say a picture like this or the site logo, the school logo. You get me now? How are we going to do that? Good. You come to site identity here. just scroll down, come to site identity. So you just click on select site icon. So you select a file from your PC, any file, any listing that you have, just select it, any image you have. I don't mean any image or any school image that the person has given you, please just select it, not your own image, please. So let me check for an image. Let me check for an image of suspected people. Let me okay, let me check here. Okay, let me select this. Oh no, no. Let me select, yeah, let me select this. You can see this here now. Let me select it and click on open. So it's going to tell me to upload that stuff there. So I click on select. So it's showing me that this is how this thing is going to be when I do it. So it's going to ask you to crop it. So it doesn't say that you crop it, that it is making sense. If you want to reduce it, you reduce it. Just be watching what is here, basically. You get me now. So I'm not cropping anything because this is already okay for me. So I'll just click on top image. So it is cropping it for me. So as you can see, this is what it's going to work. This is what it's going to show. So now as you can see, this thing has already changed already. For this thing to be permanently there, because once I leave here now, it's not going to be there again. But for it to be permanently there, you have to do something. So anything that you do, any changes that you make on this customization place, you need to click on publish. Good. Once you click on publish, if I load this thing again, it's going to load. So once I load this thing again, this page again, you will see that this icon is going to change. So let me reload it. So now let's go back. So I think that what you want to do here. That what I want to show you here. So the remaining aspect doesn't concern you. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's do this here also too. Because there are a lot of places you can set different type of things. So this one is still loading. So now we click on global. Good. So basically this global aspect is maybe don't change the color of some things or other things, but we're not going to that today. So let's click on sidebar. So we want to remove these sidebars away. We don't want sidebars. We are not creating a blog website. It's a school website design. So you see default layout. That's the normal default layout of any page that you have on your website. The page has the right sidebar. So you just click on no sidebar. So as you can see this one too, pages. You click on what? No sidebar. And also this one too, no sidebar. You get me now. So after that, just click on what? Click on publish. So it's to do there. So you click on publish. And once you click on publish, it has been published. You just go back to your this thing, to your normal customization settings. So as you can see now, once you publish that stuff, this site stuff have already removed. Good. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to go and add pages. So you just come here and click on cancel. So once you click on cancel, it's going to redirect us to our normal WordPress dashboard. So that dashboard that we are coming from before is called the customization dashboard. The customization of the thing, once you can customize it. So now we're already on our dashboard. So now as you can see, this stuff here, this stuff here did not leave. As you can see that it did not leave. So now we're going to go and create different type of pages. So just come here, you can see pages here, and click on add new. So once you click on add new, I don't know why this thing is doing like this. Let me reload it. So once you click on add new, it's going to reload. So it's going to add it's going to direct us to the page. We are going to start adding new pages. So you are waiting for it to go good. So now you are going to what? You are going to just click on what? And I go to type the name of the page you want to put here. So I want to type home in my home page. Good. So this is my home page. Now in this my home page, I don't want stories to get now. So you can just come here, you can come here and click on Elementor full width. You get me now. Once you click on Elementor full width, or just leave it at default, just click on Elementor full width, don't worry. So once you click on Elementor full width, just click on publish. So once you publish it, the thing will save there. Once you publish it, once you publish it, you will save. I don't know why this is doing like this, but once you click on publish, it's going to publish. So the page is going to publish. The page is going to publish. So yeah, the page is already updated. So now you're going to click on edit with Elementor. We can see it right here. Edit with what? Edit with Elementor. So you click on that, it's going to take you to the Elementor page where you are going to do the editing. So I'm coming. As you can see, Elementor is loaded. These are Elementor normally loads. So I won't say there's any failure of network on it. These are Elementor normally loads. So normally it is slow. It's a page builder. So those are the page we are going to be using in this tutorial. Elementor. So I'm waiting for it to load, chap. So now the Elementor page has already loaded. So these are going to be your this thing. These are going to be here. So this is your header. So let me. This is your footer here. Good. This is your footer. This is your header. So now this header and footer are basically the demo. Sorry, what am I saying? Demo. This is the Astra default theme header, and this is the Astra default theme footer. You get it now. So you're going to change it. As you can see, part by Astra theme. So you're going to change all this nonsense that is there. You're going to change it to this. You're going to change the header to this. I'm going to change the footer to. Let me scroll down. I'm going to change footer to this. You can see it's making sense. So now, as you can see this here now, you can observe. I was saying that that thing was doing that, and you can see this thing here has already changed. So now we are going to now come to what? We are going to come to this add template here. So you click on my templates, you select my template here. You're going to bring out these three things: blog, blocks, pages, and my template. So you select my template. So all those things that we installed at the initial state, they are going to be here. So it's not here. I'm not going to start doing the basic work. So now insert those templates from here. So all those things that you imported, you are going to you are going to use it. So now I'm going to scroll down. What am I looking? I'm looking for my own page. Good. This is my own page here. So I just click on what? I'll click on insert. The thing will tell you, do you want to also import this document setting of the template? Attention, importing may override previous setting. Click on yes. You want to override previous setting. The normal setting is nonsense. You want to override the setting. So now you are already importing, you just wait for the thing to do its work. So these are people who normally build websites if they don't want to go to the step of start designing the templates from the scratch. So they just look for a good template, they get the templates, you buy the template, then you just import the template and use it. You get me now. So I'm waiting for the thing to to load. I don't know why it's taking so long. Yeah, I'm doing because things plenty, that's why. Okay. So, so look guys, so the thing is already loading. The thing is loading. So it's going to install now. So as you can see here, as you can see here, as you can see here now, you can see all these things like this. Aren't you wild? You see all these stuffs. Everything that is on this website now, you've gotten it basically. So now we're just going to start just changing the contents and just changing. You can see it, right? So everything that is here. So you can see learn more, contact us, everything. Let's see what you can just see. You're just wow. You can see all this. Let me scroll down. So you can see all this. I'm going to change all this. I'm going to change everything. So change it to our own content. Get me now. You see all this here. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to what we have on that website. So we are going to change all this. You can see everything. So everything is already there for you. Yours is just to do what? Yours is just to edit, and I'm going to try how to do that. Just to edit. So you can see this. You can see this their event gallery. So us are going to change it to our own gallery. You can see our latest blog posts, their school information, contact us furthermore. Just see it. You can just see everything is just there for you. So just what I'm not going to just do is just that we're not going to just change the content. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll be pausing the tutorial now. So just watch out for the part two. So the part two basically I'm going to be designing all the pages, the home page, the about us page, the what do you call it? What is everything that is here basically. So I'm going to design the home page, the gallery page, the admission page, the about us page, and the contact us page. So I'm going to show you also how to in the part three of it. I'm going to show you how to add this stuff here, this English and this what and this WhatsApp pop-up. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing. So you guys, thank you very much. I'll be seeing you in the part two of this wonderful course, or let me say on this wonderful design that we're doing, this school website design that we're designing. So on this aspect, I'm going to be seeing you in the part two. Thank you very much.